Mozilla Website Builder Review. Watch before using. Most people get website builders wrong. They assume all platforms are either too simple or too complex. The surprising truth about Mozilla is that it balances ease of use with essential features, and you won't believe how fast you can get a professional-looking site live. Here's how it works. Mozilla allows you to create websites, online stores, and blogs without coding. It comes with drag-and-drop editing, customizable templates, and multilingual support, which is rare in beginner-friendly website builders. You can also manage SEO settings, connect your own domain, and integrate basic e-commerce tools like payments and shipping options. For example, a small business owner can create a multilingual bakery website in a few hours, complete with product listings, contact forms, and social media links. Most people get this wrong. They assume multilingual support is only available on expensive platforms, but Mozilla includes it even in free plans. Additional features include blogging tools, responsive design for mobile, and SSL security. Users praise its simplicity, affordability, and the ability to create functional online stores without overwhelming technical steps. However, there are considerations. Mozilla's templates are not as extensive as larger builders, and advanced design flexibility is limited. Most people assume every builder can match premium platforms like Shopify or Wix, but Mozilla is ideal for small businesses or personal sites that need speed and simplicity. In conclusion, Mozilla is perfect for anyone looking to launch a functional, multilingual website quickly and affordably. It's beginner-friendly, but still powerful enough for small online stores and blogs. Subscribe for more honest reviews of website builders and digital tools.